Hi there, it's Dan from Flexxable, and today we're going to talk about how you can double the conversion rate of your landing page with these simple tips. Let's get stuck in. Okay, so what is conversion rate optimization, or CRO as it's known in the industry? So, before we get started on the tips that I'm going to share in the video today, you want to get the basic stuff out of the way. Okay, you want to be using, if you're generating traffic to a landing page, you need to be split testing. So you want to have a tool like Unbounce where you can have different variants and split the traffic. You want to be testing headlines. You want to be making sure your page looks good on mobile. You want to be sure it loads quickly. You want to make sure you have benefits and features on the lander. You want to make sure that people feel safe on your page, and then you have secure signs, all of that type of stuff. I'm not going to go into detail about that today because I've already done a video on that and you can find that here. So I'd recommend watching that first and then coming back to this video so you can kind of hit the ground running and you're not understanding what the hell I'm saying today. So now we've got this out of the way, you've watched our previous video on CRO and you want to get stuck into the nitty-gritty. Let me just kind of freestyle a little bit on some stuff that we're going on with inside our own agency on what is really going to help you increase your conversion rates, okay, of your landing pages by as much as double. All right, so there's kind of three things I want to talk about today. The first one is a new concept we call Flex Configurators. Okay, and if you want to know more about this, then just comment configurators below in the comment section. But what we do for a lot of kind of home service industries and other industries as well, where the AOV of the product is over 5K, what we do is add a pricing feature to the client's website. Okay, and the same could go for your lead gen brand if you do it that way. But what this allows you to do, and why this is so valuable, is because as we know, as consumers, if we're looking to install solar panels in our home, or we're looking to get a driveway done, which I am at the moment, it's chaos out there. One thing that these websites don't have is a pricing tool on their website. Okay, so consumers come in, they have a look around, and they go to a standard get a quote page. Okay. And that's not even really get a quote page because they have to fill in their details and they probably get a call back 2 days later from the roofer. Okay, Flex Configurators, and this is a done for you service that we can offer you, is we can add a pricing feature and install that on your client's website, which gives a range of price for that driveway or for that roofing job or for that solar panel. Okay, and it allows, it's not kind of telling their exact price, but what it is it's a lead capture system which will usually double or triple the conversion rate of your clients' pages. Okay, and this is huge, especially if you're able to charge this on a pay-per-lead basis, sometimes from your client's existing organic traffic. It's a really nice way to earn passive income. So, if you do want to know more about that, comment configurators below, but let's move on to the next point, and that's exit pops. Okay, this is something that we see quite a lot. You've probably seen it in info product marketing, etc. And if you're not doing it or haven't even tested it, then it's a really simple, easy way to mop up another couple of % of your leads or conversion rate by adding a simple exit pop. Okay, because sometimes if the people have a slightly different call to action, whether you give them a slightly different offer on an exit pop, it means that you're just going to naturally mop up extra people. So if you haven't done this already, I would highly recommend giving it a go. And the third one, and we've been using this a lot lately with our funnels, is a Facebook chatbot. Okay, so let's say, for example, you're running traffic. It could be, let's say it's YouTube ads to a landing page, and you're selling a new kitchen. What you'll find is that sometimes people convert in different ways. So the YouTube ad will sell that kitchen or that product or the service. People hit the landing page and they come in and they have a look at all the photos and they have a look, at the previous jobs and testimonials and all types of stuff. And sometimes these people might just want to chat quickly and see and get some kind of an instant kind of experience with a real human, rather than going through a quiz or a form where they're going to get a call back from someone that is, a pushy salesman. Okay, so The beauty of this is, as well, is that as you have, even you as a lead gen can man this chat on behalf of your client and get paid commercially for that, obviously. But where the real gold is that you can listen to what people are saying when they're asking questions, when they're figuring out whether they want a marble worktop or a granite worktop, or whether they want to have an integrated oven, or whether they can get that on finance. What's going to happen is that as you chat to people, you're going to get an extra 10% of leads anyway because of this, but you're also going to learn a lot of valuable intel that you can use and put back into your ads, and that's really, really powerful. Okay, and some of you might be thinking this is really difficult to do from a time perspective and also from a tech perspective, but what we do, and I think I'll probably get my team to put it in the description, because how the technical stuff all works together is not really my cup of tea. But what we do is we can link it to the chatbot to the fan page of our client's page or our own page, and have things kind of automated, so you can put them through some kind of a quiz or segmentation process before they even actually chat to a human. Okay, which means you can take all the heavy lifting off. It's just like having a kind of quiz survey feature within a chat. Essentially, it's a chatbot, right? So it's nothing new here, but I don't see a lot of people using it because they think it is too much work. So there you have it. There's 3 really quick ways to be able to really get a bump on conversion rate. The first thing is Flex Configurators, add a pricing function. Reach out about that if you would like. The second thing is exit pops, and the third thing is a plugin, which is essentially a kind of plugin which allows you to kind of automate the chat service on your client's landing pages. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like so we know to create more content and videos like this. It's going to really help us. If you have any questions about doubling your conversion rate and making sure that you can get a really quick win, or you need to discuss with us or ask questions, we're always here to help. So please comment in the comments below. And finally, please subscribe to our channel. We're really trying to spread the word about performance-based lead gen, and you'll be the first to know whenever new videos come out. And finally, we have a case study on pay-per-lead and performance-based marketing, and how it kind of is, in my humble opinion, a far superior model to running retainer clients and having lots of different clients in a messy master of none type agency. We show you how to do it in a much simpler, clearer way. It's good stuff. You should check it out. It's in the pinned comments below. Take care.